now I'm gonna run up the rest of this hill.
After 4 years full-time on the road with Chelsea, I think I've trained her pretty well. Yeah, got some Mick Knoll burgers going tonight. It's a steep climb, and Chelsea has just about put a nugget in her pants.
Oh, it's getting deeper. It's getting very deep. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new around here, we're Bryce and Chelsea, and we've been traveling Australia for the last 4 years.
In this one, we're hanging around the Sunshine Coast Hinterlands, and it's about an hour and a half from Brisbane.
This morning we are out of combat camping and we're on to Kenilworth. It's only about 15-20 minutes down the road, and first stop is the famous Kenilworth bakery. Now, we've tried a few bakeries on our travels and this would have to be one of the best.
What do you got?
Couldn't resist. Coffee and a donut in one. Now the secret with this is they put a lining of Nutella in it and you don't realise until you get to the bottom and you're like, oh yum, this is so good.
Ready to tuck in.
Ooh, is that
done pretty well
chocolate?
this morning. Nutella donut, couple of pies. Would you get, a pie or a sausage roll?
I got a pie.
Yeah, coffee donut, and even juice gets in on the action as well. Little doggy bicky. That's it. Good boy.
What are you gonna have first? Donut or?
Oh, go pie first, and this is dessert.
What have you got? Nutella? Chocolate! Oh, you're gonna make such a mess.
Yeah.
Well, we've dropped the caravan off at the showgrounds in Kenilworth and we are in Boolomba National Park. We're just driving through and it looks like there's a couple of creek crossings, which is great timing because we've been to Rainbow Beach and been driving on the sand.
We're lucky we've got Beck and Greg that are dog sitting juice for us so we can get out and about in the national park.
I am that glad we're not in croc country anymore because I'm knee deep walking through a water crossing to try and get some GoPro footage. I would not have been doing this a few weeks ago. Oh, it's getting deeper. It's getting very deep. Bryce, we really need a snorkel. Oh my God, there's a car coming. Quick, quick, quick. Reckon we need a snorkel?
It could be on the cards. I mean, not at the moment, but depending on what we want to do later in the year, we might need to look into one.
I mean, I already went for a swim in the water crossing, so Bryce's turn to get in.
My turn to hop in. This is really nice.
We were not expecting this. We're coming up a very large hill.
It's a steep climb, and Chelsea has just about put a nugget in her pants because she goes, oh, I don't know if we can do it, but we got this.
We're doing it fine, but it was very intimidating to look at, and there were some massive ruts in the road, and sometimes when I get scared driving, well, not when I'm driving, when Bryce is driving, I close my eyes. Just clear that up, not when I'm driving. Okay, we're through the worst of it.
Yeah, so the lookout's up here, and depending on what the road's like, whether we keep going all the way or not.
Oh no, it's steep again.
And some ruts.
Okay, close them eyes.
No, you're getting out.
Really?
Yeah, well, you got to show them what we're actually up against.
Oh. Don't stop.
Do you feel better watching or like from outside the car or inside the car?
Outside.
Okay, alright. You can stay there. See ya.
Now I'm gonna run up the rest of this hill. It's hard because I really don't want to drive, but I really don't want to run up the hills either.
Well, you've earned the donut. Maybe we need to swap in a little bit and then I can have a bit of a run up and then my donut.
And your pie, don't forget your pie.
Yeah, alright. Maybe I gotta run twice. I am loving this. This is so much fun.
I'm not loving that sheer drop just there. Again, just close your eyes and it'll be fine. Let me know when it's over. Well, a little bit car sick and we've made it up to the lookout. It was a very slow going kilometre.
Well, we're probably going to call it there. I don't think we're going to make it to the falls. I might just have to go for a walk later to earn me donut a bit because I haven't really got out the car at all, just been driving.
The showgrounds in Kenilworth are great. They're only $25 a night for power and water, and you can have campfires on your site, I think as long as they're in a fire pit off the ground. So we had full intentions just to stay one night in Kenilworth, but we've actually extended to 3 for a few reasons. We love the town. It's got an awesome bakery, and we're just going to use this for a base to go around the area for the next few days to have a little bit of a sightsee. There was also a big music festival on in Maleny, so we couldn't get a booking there, but this is going to be an awesome base for the next few nights. We have never been to Montville before, but we've heard amazing things. So this afternoon we are heading up there. It's meant to be like some chocolate places. I think there's like a lolly shop, ice cream, fudge, all that fun, delicious stuff.
Yeah, we're going to load Aubrey up with sugar and then send her home with her parents later on. It's going to be great.
It's a really nice drive from Kenilworth up to Montville. Very windy.
Don't bring your caravan.
Do not bring your caravan.
Hey, just having a bit of a hug with a koala.
Juice!
Come on, Juice. Hey, where's Juice? Come on in.
Juice!
Hey.
Watch out for the chlamydia.
We are making our way out of Kenilworth this morning and going to slowly head towards the Gold Coast. We're going to be staying at a farm stay not far from Brisbane tonight. We'll give you some more information when we get there later. But on the way today, we are going to head to the ginger factory. My sister found this one online. It looks like a good spot to stop in for our niece.
What do you reckon, Chelsea? You excited?
So excited.
Let's go check it out. I'm sure we can get a ginger beer at 10 o'clock in the morning.
So it's free to come into the ginger factory, and then there's some optional extras. So there's a train ride, but unfortunately that's not running today. There's some boat thing as well. There's like a bee show. Don't know what they're going to get the bees to do.
And apparently, you get the bees to do tricks. And apparently ginger beer, but alcoholic ginger beer tasting. So that's where we're headed.
They're a bit creepy. Look at them move. This is something of nightmares. We haven't paid to go on this boat ride, but we're going to watch them go through.
It's freaky.
Very freaky. It's lots of puppets.
Yeah, that's scary looking ones. The ginger factory was alright. It's great if you've got kids. Not so much for us. It wasn't that interesting. It's definitely worth walking around anyway. But now we're going to go head to Woolworths, do a food shop, get some fuel, do all of them fun jobs, and then head to camp for tonight. Well, that's an exciting little way into camp, little creek crossing to kick us off. This is Wescloud Lodge. So we're just rocking up and we'll show you what it looks like in a minute.
Well, this is Wescloud. We are staying here for just one night. It's just a bit of a stopover on our way to the Gold Coast. We're not far from Brisbane. We're just on the outskirts and it was only $20. You do have to be self-sufficient. There is no power or water. They do have some toilets here and some showers as well. Burger night.
Yeah, got some Mick Canola burgers going tonight and they're coming up a tree. Got them on now.
Are you allowed to tell us what's in them?
Nah, secret recipe. There's 12 secret herbs and spices.
I reckon you could probably guess half of them.
Okay.
They're not that different.
No, they're just, it's just beef mince, some onion, some carrots, some garlic, a bit of curry powder, chicken noodle soup mix.
And then whatever spices you like. We chucked a heap of paprika in, but really you can just change them up.
You know what the best thing is? Made with love. After 4 years full-time on the road with Chelsea, I think I've trained her pretty well. So her job is to level the van and also take the levelers out when we take off. So I just get to hang out in the front seat and bark some orders. She's just locked the van up. What way, Chels?
Forward. Yeah.
Oh, that turned out to be a little bit more difficult than I thought. But we are off to the Gold Coast this morning.
Off to the big smoke.
Yeah, ready to go battle some traffic and yeah, head to the Big 4 at Helensvale, which we're...
then battle some kids on the water park.
Yeah, battle traffic during the day and then battle some kids in the afternoon.
I don't know how good that sounded.
Well, traffic is just about in a standstill and we're 4 k's away from the Big 4 and it's going to take us 13 minutes. It's a bit slow going at the moment, but how good is being in city traffic? This is great. You beauty.
We have not missed this at all.
No,
Get us away from the cities.
this is hard work. We are all set up here at the Gold Coast. We've done all our chores, got some washing done, washed the car. So we thought, all right, let's go hit the slides.
I'm so excited.
It's not busy either.
No, it's not busy at all.
We're expecting heaps of people, so we might have it all to ourselves. Oh yeah, it's a bit kid-proof. You got to pull this way. Or Chelsea-proof.
Yeah.
Let's
the big
go.
kid. Okay, so the boys are already heading down the slide, but bad news, we're not allowed to take the GoPro down there with us, which is a bit of a shame, but I'll try and get some shots from the bottom. These are so fast. And they're all the twirly ones, so you're probably gonna get super dizzy.
Lost a bit of momentum at the end there. Ready, Aubrey? Give it a kiss.
Bryce was off really early this morning because we are getting the car service while we are on the Gold Coast. Now, I haven't had the best luck with Ford service centres, unfortunately, but I think we're on to a winner finally. These guys seem pretty switched on. I'll be interested to hear what Bryce has to say when he gets home later. But this morning I'm going to be hanging around the park, get some editing done, take Juice for a walk. They've got a dog run out the back. There's a big kids playground as well. So I'm going to go take a coffee over to my sister next door, and then we're going to head to the playgrounds. We've got such a good excuse having Aubrey with us at the moment. There's so many activities for the children, and having her with us means we get to get involved as well. Oh, Juice is gonna get you. Juice is gonna get you. Okay, he's back. That only took like 2 hours there. That was super good. Let's see what he has to say about the Ford Service Centre. Well, how'd you go with these guys?
Much better. Everything that they ticked off on the sheet, they actually did, which is very surprising.
And which one did you go to?
We went to Sunshine Ford at Southport, and they did a much better job than last time.
Did they rotate the tyres?
Yep, they did everything.
Ooh.
That was bloody fantastic. First good experience with a Ford dealership. You beauty.
About time.
I know, it only took us 30,000 kilometres. Thanks for hanging around to the end of the video. If you like this one, make sure to like and subscribe, drop a comment below, and we'll kick off next week continuing around the Gold Coast area. Catch you later.